Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get your tax refund. Many people look forward to receiving money back from the government each year. A tax refund occurs when you pay more in taxes throughout the year than your actual tax liability. This often happens due to withholding too much from your paycheck or qualifying for various credits and deductions. We'll guide you through the process to help you understand and claim what's rightfully yours, ensuring you don't leave any money on the table. To begin, gathering your documents is crucial. Collect all W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Next, select the appropriate filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household, as this significantly impacts your tax calculation. Finally, accurately report all your income and meticulously claim every deduction and credit you qualify for. This foundational work ensures your return is correct and complete, setting you up for a successful refund. Maximizing your refund involves strategic planning. Look for common deductions, such as student loan interest, medical expenses exceeding 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, or contributions to traditional individual retirement accounts. Also, explore valuable tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit, Child Tax Credit, or Education Credits, which directly reduce your tax liability. Even contributing to a 401k or IRA can lower your taxable income, potentially increasing your refund amount. Once your return is filed, the final step is receiving your refund. For the quickest and most secure delivery, opt for direct deposit into your bank account. You can easily track the status of your refund online using the official government Where's My Refund tool, typically available within 24 hours after e-filing. Most refunds are issued within 21 days of filing electronically, but paper returns can take 6 to 8 weeks. Patience is key as your money makes its way to you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.